This is one of the most frequently asked questions, and I'm finally making a video to answer it. Why do dentists blow air on your teeth? Why do they blow air on my teeth at the dentist? This is one of my most frequently asked questions, and I'm finally making a video to answer it. The reason dental professionals blow air on your teeth is to simply dry the teeth. You have lots of spit, saliva, all over your teeth. And your saliva is obviously wet and bubbly, and it makes it very difficult for us to see what we're looking for. But when it's dry, we have a nice dry view of your tooth. What are we looking for, you may ask? Well, as a hygienist, I use the air after the cleaning is complete to double check all the teeth and make sure they are free of tartar. Because you can see if there are any missed pieces of tartar when the tooth is dry, because they usually show up as a chalky white appearance when the tooth is dry, versus you can miss it if the tooth is wet. Then I'm able to fine tune any spots, go over again with the hand instrument to make sure we clean every tooth perfectly. I'll also use the air to examine the tooth for cavities or decay. Again, the air dries the tooth so I can pick up an explorer and clearly explore and see areas of stain and or maybe decay, because sometimes you can barely see any discoloration when you have the bubbly wet saliva covering the tooth. So yeah, drying the tooth to check for cavities and tartar are the main two reasons we use the air at your cleaning appointment. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe if it did. And if you want more teeth talk, follow me on Instagram at TeethTalkGirl. Thanks everyone. Peace, love, and teeth.